Good afternoon, everyone. This is Compost Chicken Queens Plus. In this case, plus a Norwex box. Yes, it hasn't been that long since the last one, but it's because I still needed to buy some more stuff and I didn't have the funds at the time for the last purchase. So then I did, and now we have this. Keep remembering to look in the viewfinder, not just in real life, because it can wander. There we go. So what we have here, ladies and gentlemen, is 2 of the Forever bottles in the seafoam. I use the color coding. There we go. To help differentiate, I will, for the sake of Nance's sanity as mine as well, to mark on the bottle in some way what is in the product, of course. But I use these for the dish detergent, and there's 2 of them. And for some reason the one I have is missing in action. I'm not sure what happened to it, but there we go. Now this box is packed from the other side, so this is what's upside down version. There's another one, and just out of curiosity, because the last time I bought a bottle, it was a white one, it was missing the silicone sleeve. And ladies and gentlemen, if that ever happens, nope, there's one there too. If that ever happens, you contact them and they will tell you, oh, no worries, and they will send you a new bottle, which is what happened to me. No quibble, they just sent me a new one, and I kept the old one that had the new old one that had no sleeve, and I put it in a neoprene jacket for it to be protected, and it also happened to be able to clip it onto my work belt. So these are countercloths. This one, I decided to get these ones just because they're very useful. You can never have too many, in my opinion. The mattress cleaner, oh yeah, that's right, it comes with a, in there somewhere is the thing. I run out of that very quickly, spraying things like the pillows and other things, mattresses and mattresses and soft furniture and other things, because it works very well. This I bought a bunch of. These are limited edition, and I love the lavender scent. I use it for cleaning the microfibers, both of the Norwex version and the dollar store version that is used in the gym to clean the equipment. And I also use it in the bottles for the cleaner, for the sprays that are used in the gym to clean the equipment, because it leaves a nice smell. A lot of people don't seem to understand that the smell of clean is the smell of nothing. So you add a scent and they realize that it's not just water they're using. This is sugar plum. This is limited edition, and I think last chance now. I love this smell. I have a huge bottle of it, which is no longer available for sale. I was completely out of the degreaser. This could be used for a myriad of things. You can put it on clothes. You can use it, obviously, for cleaning things like very, very greasy pots and pans. Though it's a bit overkill, you can use it as a degreaser for your automotive equipment. This has worked extremely well on work clothes, the ones that are bright yellow or bright orange with the reflective tape. Well, that gets really dirty if you're, I don't work in construction, but I've had equipment or work clothes given to me or bought from me that have been very covered in grease, and this has gotten a lot of it out, if not all of it. I've got a larger sample size of the Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent, which is also an all-purpose cleaner. Works very well. This, I believe, also comes in lavender scent. Let's see here. Okay, cool. I will be shortly, over time, well, more like over time, I will be replacing all the spray bottles in here that you get at the dollar store, or the former owner bought from a cleaning company supply that has chemical names on it, and it's kind of ugly and probably not the most sanitary, chemical-free way of doing it anyways. I will be slowly replacing those with these. They are smaller, but I will make up batches with this and water to put in there to spray down equipment, especially this parts that people touch. And let's see what else we have here. These right now are on sale for half price. They're regularly $18 or something. They're on for $9. That's actually, I shouldn't say that, it's actually an offer of if you spend $120 or something, you can get one of these for half price. So it's a bit misleading. My God. These are, see, this is offered to consultants in the list. I found it by accidentally in the list. Perfect. So I took a chance. These are 3 for, I can't remember now, not very expensive anyways, under $5 I'm pretty sure. This is absolutely perfect. Great. And I think I bought 2 of these. Maybe I might have bought 1. I don't remember. Sadly, dear customers, it's not available to you as far as I'm concerned. As far as I know, not concerned. As far as I know, those are not available directly. Although if you know somebody, such as myself, who is a consultant, we could buy them for you and give them to you. A little more difficult if you're far away, but we can certainly try to accommodate. These are 10 sample size, 30 grams or 1.3 ounces of the Ultra Power Plus samples, which lucky people I know will be given. They also make great travel sizes. There's another samples. Again, they're customers. Sadly, they cannot get those as samples themselves. You have to get them through a consultant. These are the limited edition, and I think they might even be, that's not really red though, it's more of a bright pink. Anyways, these are the limited edition. I think it's also last chance for edition. You can look it up in the Norwex online or in the app. Yes, I bought 2 of those because they are limited edition last chance. I'll be putting those away and for later. Here are those. This one is for, I believe this one is for the mattress cleaner, and this I bought as a replacement because if you don't let stuff like that, see my finger, the Ultra Power Plus, if you don't let it dissolve fat long enough in there, Forever bottle or other bottle, it can jam up in there, and I'm not sure if it will ever come out. There's the second one. And I bought 2. They're, I think, $1 each. These, like I said, I think are under $5. I think they're something like $2 or $3 each for the set. And a card, French side, and there's your thank you card. And I bought more of these. These are the bilingual ones, I believe. Yep. I just had the English ones given to me as part of my consultation kit when I first became a consultant, and I've used them all up. So I bought more. And then I bought, I don't remember buying these. Crap, I didn't buy the wrong ones. Anyways, these are still valid apparently till August. What I was actually hoping to buy was more of those. Oops, maybe I misunderstood. And let's see, I think we've got to the bottom of the box, or the top really. Oh, and there's my packing slip. Let's see here. One-handed stuff. And there's the packing slip that goes with it. Yes, some of these items are not available to people other than consultants. And I will try to remember to leave a list of prices, current prices for these items, or at least a link to the Norwex company so you can look yourself. Anyways, if you like what you say, share, share, share. Am I actually, I thought I bought, wait a minute, let me see. Maybe it's, yes, that's right. I still have to buy some more Ultra Plush, I think they're called hand towels, I don't remember. Yeah, that's the next order I was going to be putting out soon. Because, ladies and gentlemen, the Ultra Plush towels, or more particularly the washcloths or hand, they're about this big, about that big. They work very well as menstrual pads / incontinence pads. If you fold them in thirds, and then if you're a little bit more heavy flow, whichever way flow you are, or both, you could add 1 or 2 of these in the middle, and they work very well, as they have, like I said, the Ultra Plush hand towels. I don't have an example with me, but they are very absorbent. That also is quite absorbent. And also because the back lock, which is silver embedded, micro silver embedded in the fibers, it kills bacteria, which is a lot of the smell component of incontinence issues as well as menstrual issues, though not all with the case of menstrual issues, but that helps prevent, let's just say, also the growth of bacteria, mold and mildew. So, anything else to say, I wonder? If you like what you see, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share, 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 because sharing is caring. And if you really care about the environment and yourself and your family, and also saving money, because actually these, even though it would appear on the surface to be quite expensive, these bottles do pay for them. These items do pay for themselves very quickly. How many paper towels do you guys use up in an average year? I bet you pay more for them than these, and these will last easily 10 years, even with regular use. There's some people who have their Norwex EnviroCloths, for instance, for 12 years. You can't say the same about the other ones that you buy in the store. These are, believe it or not, almost $20 each, but they will last a very, very long time. Of course, don't drop it on the floor, but mattress cleaner. I'm pretty sure you understand how dirty mattresses can get if your mattress protection fails, or you didn't have one for the vast majority of the time you owned it. But it can be quite gross. The mattress cleaner has enzymes in it which will destroy things like bacteria and protein things like, well, skin cells. It doesn't damage your skin that badly. It never hurts if you have it on your hands, but it will destroy and break down the dander, your body's dander, skin cells. It will also eat the, what do you call it, dust mites in your bed, and also eat them. So they basically starve to death and are eaten by this, which breaks it down to, I think, carbon dioxide and something else, both basically harmless. And by the way, global warming is bullshit. It's called climate change, and climate change is normal. And also the warming of the earth happens, and then the carbon dioxide, which is plant food, is released from various things. Anyway, that's a different topic. So again, if you like what you see, comment, or if you don't like what you see, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share, share, share. Sharing is caring. And I'm wishing everyone a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and night, whenever, wherever, and whomever you are. Stay awesome, stay adventurous, stay clean, environmentally friendly, people friendly. Booyah.